I'm Mike Merrill, COO of About Time Technologies and WorkMax. I'm going to show you 4 ways that live field data helps with COVID safety. There are many answers you need to know as soon as possible for COVID, and the easiest way to have these answers quickly is by using one app to collect live field data to keep your job site safe and protect your business from COVID OSHA fines and lawsuits. With the dangers and challenges of COVID-19 on job sites, it's now more important than ever to know who's at your job sites, where are they physically working, who is sick, if anyone, and how can I better train my employees with social distancing awareness. When you choose an app like WorkMax, it uses true facial recognition by taking a picture of the employee when they clock in and matching that image with a biometric match in the background. You can know with certainty who is at your job sites. Then you can increase safety with live safety forums, expedited safety training and video links and mobile devices. Using facial recognition for a comparison photo and live GPS, this improves safety at your job sites. You can be almost 100% sure which employees are actually at the site. Let me show you exactly how. I'm going to bring up an emulator of my iPad or smart device or smartphone. Put a 4-digit PIN code in for Wesley Roberts, click on the time clock option. You'll notice Wesley is at the Payson City Center project. When Wesley clocks in this workflow, he's actually presented with a mandatory COVID safety questionnaire. I'm going to answer these questions. Yes, I'm feeling well. I do not have any of these symptoms. Wesley can also click on the link below in blue, and it will actually take him to a COVID safety video out on an external link. In this particular case, it's on social distancing. Once he's reviewed that video, he can simply type yes, he's reviewed the video, or pick the tick box with the word yes next to it. Wesley signs off on his selections, hits save, and that form is automatically emailed and sent to the appropriate safety manager or personnel within the organization. As you'll notice, there's actually a GPS location of where that form was even filled out by Wesley. Back in the application, now that he's filled out his safety form and questionnaire, he's going to pick his cost code or activity. Let's say Wesley's working on trench excavation. Because he's on excavation and it requires equipment use, he's going to select the equipment. At this point, you'll notice in the top left, the mobile application is going to collect a biometric image of Wesley on his punch-in. I hit confirm. Now we're able to confirm that Wesley's physically on site at the job site, and now he's completed his COVID safety screening. The safety and health officer of the organization has a copy of that, and now he's ready to go to work. From here, if we go into the WorkMax Cloud Control Center, you'll notice on this punch, Maxwell Baker was on the job site within the geofence. You'll also notice, if I go to the facial recognition tab, I have a 99.997 and 99.998% match of the threshold of the source image with the punches in the system. Because of this accuracy and these opportunities to confirm physical location and also exactly who is where and who is doing what on which project, along with their safety questionnaire, we are able to confirm with 100% certainty that your job sites are safe and, according to those surveys, COVID-free. Now that I've shown you the 4 ways to increase COVID-19 safety with WorkMax, you can learn more about how you can increase safety with live safety forums, expedited safety training videos on mobile devices, and using facial recognition comparison to a profile photo. Overall, making your job sites more safe. With that, if you want to learn more or have questions for us, you can contact us at www.workmax.com.